Hey everyone, let's talk thumbnail drawings. Thumbnails are just quick, small drawings that you use in the process of deciding what you're going to do on a bigger project. So they're like practice drawings. You don't want to spend too much time on them. The whole purpose is that you get some different ideas down and then you can decide which one you really like before you go bigger. You can either download this from Canvas and print it, or you can stop by the school and get one. Or you can just draw your own rectangles. These are about 2 inches by 3 inches. Just sketch out a few rectangles if you need to. You have to turn in at least 4 thumbnails. We got 4 on here. So one of these would be good. If you want to do more than 4, by all means do. It never hurts to practice, never hurts to experiment and see what your options are. So once you get these done, you will be choosing 2 of these for bigger projects. Right here, I've got an example of a Basquiat drawing that we've looked at, and I've already done some thumbnail sketches from it. So it's basically, I'm looking at this and deciding areas that I find interesting. So I liked this area. I drew that in a rectangle, got some little writing on the side, and then I moved on, looked for another area. I thought this was interesting, so I did that there, up here, pretty interesting. Now I don't have to be limited to what I see on here. I don't have to just zoom in on one spot. If I like this guy and this guy and I want to put them together, maybe I want to switch this head onto here, I can. I'm the artist. I can decide what I'm going to do in my thumbnails. It's just like this is inspiration for your thumbnails. Your thumbnails will be your inspiration for your final project. So let's just do a couple more examples here. This is a student work that I made a copy of. This guy right here is interesting, so I'll draw him. I'm going to zoom in real close because I can. And draw part of him. He's got this eyes X'd out. A little bit of a hat coming down here. And then next to him, there's this wiggly line. Instead of putting that wiggly line in, I'm going to go up here, look at this fish, do part of the fish. Okay. I don't really like this area right here where they're almost touching. It's kind of a distraction. So I'm just going to make this nose bigger and overlap. And then why not put some letters in here? Got this. Oh, dishonest. Okay, and I can add anything. And honestly, if I wanted to add something on here, if I'm looking at this picture and I think, oh, it needs a circle right here, I can do that. It doesn't have to be on this page, okay? These are just ideas. So you do 4 of those. If you want to do them landscape way, you can do them landscape way. You have to do at least 4 and turn 4 in. If you want to do 20, awesome. That's only going to help you. You will submit a photo of this for the assignment and you'll save this for future reference when we start our bigger projects. Just a couple more things on this. Spend about 2 minutes on each of these. If you're spending more than that, it's too much time. They don't need to be colored. Just do them quick and experiment and have fun.